Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y di tayo malasing.
There's a stranger in my bed. There's a pounding in my head. Glitter all over the room. Pink flamingos in the pool. I smell like a minibar. DJ's passed out in the yard. Bobby's on the barbecue. This a hickey or ruse. Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well. It's a blacked out blur, but I'm pretty sure it ruled. Damn. Last Friday night, yeah, we danced on tabletops. Now we took too many shots. Think we kissed, but I forgot. Last Friday night, yeah, we maxed our credit cards. And you kicked out of the bar, so we hit the boulevard. Last Friday night, we were streaking in the park, skinny dipping in the dark. Then had a menage a trois. Last Friday night.
Morning guys, so today I want to greet a happy birthday to Tito Winston CBB. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Tito Winston, and stay healthy always, and more birthday to come. And I hope you enjoy your birthday to celebrate with your family, with your kids, and enjoy your day. And I hope to see you soon again, Tito Winston. And thank you for being so nice to us, and thank you for being so supportive to our team, baby. Happy birthday, Tito Winston. Ay, magura ko na mata, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Winston. Stay healthy always and get blessed. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Guys, magura ko na mata. Pula ko yung mata. Happy birthday, Tito Winston. Get blessed.
Hello guys, and hello all to Baby 2.0. Gusto ko lang pong batiin ng happy birthday ang napakagwapo kong Tito. Happy birthday, Tito. Wish you more birthdays to come and good health always. Ingat ka po dyan palagi. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hello guys, good morning. Ay, sorry naman. Kalagising lang. Today pala guys, may babati tayo na happy birthday kay Tito Winston. Yahoo, happy birthday Tito Winston. Wishing all the best Tito Winston. And more birthdays to come. Pasensya na, ako yung nagmamadali kasi nakatupa na tayo. So ayun, happy birthday Tito Winston. Ang wish ko lang talaga sa'yo is more birthdays to come at good health lang palagi, at martawanan sa white, markantahan Tito Winston, at thank you so much sa inyong suporta sa akin Tito Winston, hindi lang sa akin pati sa iba sa inyo ni Tita. Maraming salamat po, at sana'y matupad lahat ng mga kailangan mo, Tito. More tagay, Tito. Tagay na. Birahin na din, Tito. Birahin chachahi. So, ayun. Happy birthday to Tito Winston. Good. Sana good. Good. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Enjoy. God bless. Keep safe always, Tito Winston. Ingat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Tito Winston. Maligayang kaarawan po. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday at sana bigyan ka ni Lord maraming birthdays.
and more blessings to come. At saka, babatiin na rin po kita ng Happy Father's Day. And of course, to all fathers out there, sa lahat ng fathers sa Team Baby 2.0, Sir Tony Powers, Aljan, Kuya Marian, Kuya Dinmark, kung sino pa yung mga hindi ko nag-greet, kayong lahat. Happy Father's Day, and again, happy birthday, Tito Winston. Bye!
Hi guys! I just want to greet a happy birthday, Tito Winston. More birthdays to come, Tito, and good health always. More candles to blow. Ma-open na imo kaadlawan, Tito. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye!
Hello guys! So ayan, mega love shoutout po sa lahat. To all Team BB 2.0, hello guys. Mega love shoutout sa inyo, and especially kay Tito Winston CBB. Hello Tito, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day with your family and friends. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan, at I love you Tito. Sorry kung hindi nakakapunta sa iyong mga premiere at live po. Busy po talaga, sorry po. Bawi po ako next time. Enjoy your specialty, Tito, and God bless you po. I love you, Tito Winston CBD. Happy birthday. Bye. Love you.
Hi, Tito! Happy birthday! Nakalimutan ko na naman mag-video. So, eto, madalian. Habang hinatid ko yung alaga ko. Happy birthday, Tito! Happy birthday, Tito! Happy birthday, Tito. Happiest birthday, Tito Winston CBB. More birthdays to come. God bless always.
Shout out sa lahat! Yay! Hi, Baby Ava. Hello everyone! Mega love shout out sa inyo lahat dyan nanonood. And of course, gusto ko lang batiin ang nag-iisang birthday boy today, ang aming Daddy You, pare ko tata, yay! Ayun, happy birthday Daddy You, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, say happy birthday. Sige na, say. Ayaw ni Bibi Ava. Happiest birthday para kay Tatay Winston si Bibi. So, ayun, si Bibi. At first, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga supporta mo sa akin since noong una tayong nagkakilala kayo ni Tita Rosie. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta ninyo sa aking channel, of course, at lalong na sa akin. The best yung sa akin. Maraming salamat sa mga blessings and of course sa love. Ako'y napapasalamat ng sobra dahil nakilala ko kayo nila ni Tita Rosie. Thank you so much to all of you, lalo na sa mga ka-BG lahat ginawa nyo, nag-live kayo. Basta wala akong sawang magpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na inibinigay. Andito na naman tayo, nosebleed na naman ako nito. Sorry naman. More blessings para kay tatay and good health always. More birthdays to come and best wishes. Basta thank you ng marami. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. Diba yan ang babait? na na viral yan dito sa atin. Mabait ka naman talaga kay Tita Rosie, lahat sa lahat ng mga kabarangay ko dyan. Thank you so much. sa lahat ng mga ka-team ko dyan. Maraming salamat. And of course, yun na lang siguro. Basta, maraming salamat. And happy birthday. Happy birthday once again. Maraming salamat again. Nauso naman eh. Thank you so much for tatay. And happy birthday. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello. This is Tony Towers here to wish Tito Winston CBB happy birthday, Tito. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Enjoy your special day. I think you're having a weekend birthday this year. More blessings to come, more food to eat, more cake to slice. Enjoy your special day, Tito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Winston. Happy birthday to you. See y'all guys soon. Stay safe. Bye.
Happy Father's Day, everyone! And aside from celebrating the Father's Day today, on the 16th day of June 2024, it is also a very special day for Tito ng lahat. Ayan, may Tito Parts kong pogi, Winston CBB. Hello to, and maligayang karoon sa'yo. And yun, thank you po. Maraming salamat po talaga sa pagsuporta niyo sa akin, sa walang sawang pagsuporta mula pa nung una hanggang ngayon. Walang kupas kahit sa pagdaan man ng maraming taon. Maraming salamat po, at ako po'y araw-araw na magpapasalamat sa inyo. And looking forward to sana na makimit ko kayo in person. Sana po kung bakante kayo. And salamat po hindi lang sa suporta sa YouTube, kundi lalo't higit salamat po sa pagkakaibigan na hindi rin kumupas. Sa pagkakaibigan hindi naman sahay ng chlorine. Thank you po, Tito. And sana po ay maging healthy ka palagi. Maraming taon pa po sana na malusog at masagana ang iyong pamumuhay kasama ang iyong pamilya. And ano pa ba? Good luck po sa YouTube, sa patuloy na lumalaki mong channel, Tito Parts. Ingat po palagi dyan, lalo na po pag umaalis kayo ng bahay o gumagala kayo. At sana po ay ipagkaloob na ng poong may kapal kung ano man ang minimiti niyo sa buhay, kung ano man yung mga gusto mo pang marating. Malayo na po ang narating niyo dito. And kung meron pang mga bagay na gusto mo pang matamo, sana po ay ipagkaloob sa inyo yun. And ano pa ba, marami akong gustong sabihin sa'yo dito, Pards, kaya lang makabutan tayo na isang oras. Basta yun lang po to sum it up. Happy Father's Day and happy birthday. Ingat po palagi. Thank you po sa support sa YT. Thank you po sa friendship na binibigyan niyo sa akin. And kasiyahan ko po na masaya din kayo, hindi lang sa araw na to, kundi 365 or 366 days in a year. And know that I love you, Tito Pards, kahit anong mangyari. Mahal na mahal pa rin kita po. And kung ano mga pagsubok sa buhay, laban Japan. At God bless you always, Tito Pards. I love you.